Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 296. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 5, 8. We look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. And I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 5. 5 here, so 4, 7, and no help here, 4, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. No help here. 1, 2, 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here. So this is our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. 6 here, so 4, 7. And that means that our 6 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 2, 9. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 7, 6. And that 7 makes this our 4, 7. We've got a 4 here, so that makes us our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. And I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. Huh. I just noticed this 4 makes this our 1, 4. And now we can get rid of this 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That means we can get rid of this 2 and this 2. But also that 8 makes this our 1, 8, 1. And that 1 now makes this our 8, 1. and that 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.